Patio doors are a major connection point between indoor and outdoor spaces, but they also play a critical role in a home's overall efficiency. While homeowners often focus on the style or material of a new patio door, the quality of installation is just as important. For homeowners in Rockford, professional patio door installation is key to improving energy efficiency, comfort, and long-term performance. Why installation quality matters. Even the most energy-efficient patio door will underperform if it isn't installed correctly. Gaps, misalignment, and improper sealing allow air to leak in and out, reducing efficiency and increasing energy costs. In Rockford homes, where seasonal temperature changes are common, proper installation ensures patio doors work as intended and provide reliable insulation year-round. Eliminating air leaks and drafts. Older or poorly installed patio doors are a common source of drafts. Air leaks around the frame force heating and cooling systems to work harder to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures. Professional installers ensure a precise fit, sealing all gaps around the door frame. For Rockford homeowners, this results in fewer drafts, more stable indoor temperatures, and reduced energy waste. Improved insulation and thermal performance. Professional patio door installation includes proper insulation around the door opening. Installers use specialized materials to fill gaps and prevent heat transfer. In Rockford homes, this added insulation helps keep warm air inside during colder months and blocks unwanted heat during warmer periods, improving overall energy efficiency. Preventing moisture intrusion and energy loss. Moisture intrusion can damage insulation and reduce its effectiveness. Improperly installed patio doors may allow water to seep into walls and flooring, leading to long-term efficiency problems. Professional installers use flashing and weatherproofing techniques to direct water away from the door opening. For Rockford homeowners, this protection preserves insulation and prevents moisture-related energy loss. Supporting smooth operation and tight seals. A well-installed patio door should open and close smoothly while maintaining a tight seal when closed. Professional installation ensures proper alignment of tracks, frames, and hardware. In Rockford homes, smooth operation reduces wear on components and helps maintain airtight seals that support energy efficiency over time. Reducing strain on heating and cooling systems. When patio doors are properly installed, heating and cooling systems don't have to compensate for air leaks or poor insulation. This reduces system strain and energy consumption. For Rockford homeowners, improved efficiency often leads to lower utility bills and longer HVAC system lifespan. Enhancing indoor comfort. Energy efficiency directly affects comfort. Professionally installed patio doors help eliminate cold spots, drafts, and uneven temperatures near entryways. In Rockford homes, this creates a more comfortable living environment where indoor spaces feel consistent and inviting throughout the year. Long-term value and performance. Professional installation protects the investment in new patio doors. Properly installed doors are less likely to develop issues such as misalignment, seal failure, or energy loss. For Rockford homeowners, this means fewer repairs, longer door lifespan, and consistent efficiency benefits over time. A smart choice for Rockford homes. Professional patio door installation plays a vital role in home efficiency. By ensuring precise fit, proper sealing, and effective insulation, expert installation helps Rockford homeowners reduce energy loss, improve comfort, and protect long-term value. When it comes to patio doors, how they're installed makes all the difference.